Here, what's good guys? Right now I'm at work, got the GS here. I'm about to go home, get changed, and I'm gonna go meet up with my girlfriend Fizza. So you guys met her in the last video. We bought the G37 for her, and ever since then she parked her car in the street and someone sideswiped it. We're gonna get that fixed soon. I'm just waiting for summer so we could repaint the car. But she got some stuff done to her car. She also got some new mods. I forgot what, but we'll go meet up with her, see what she got, and install it in the car. So, yep. All right, so right now, we're gonna install these turn as tail light module from Diode Dynamics. What these basically do is turn the signal lights into the tail lights. So it's the rings instead of a little bulb in the middle, which looks 100 times better. So if you come over here, this is like the easiest install you could ever do. There's clips right there. And same on the other side. You literally just unplug that and put that in between. So let's get to it.
Oh, these drugs got me high, waving the smoke like I'm waving goodbye. Losing my mind, and passes the time. I'm peeping the strippers as they passing by. Oh yeah, so smacked like I'm in a dream. Too wide that you can't hang. Drugs rule everything around me like cream, nigga Wu-Tang. Smoking kush like it's overtime, jumping overtime.
That's all. That's literally. Let me show you what that looks like. You see it?
I'm like it's blowing mine, I'm spaced out. Whoa. You gon' tell me what I like to get a raise now? And I got all this cash that you tryna shade down.
2 seconds later.
Alright guys, so far this is what we got done to the car. Let me show you guys. Well, she did everything. What'd you do? Oh.
Nothing, and then I put these over there.
Okay.
And then I still have to tuck it in first. And then this thing.
That's nice. That's nice. Hello Kitty. Alright. That's all?
Yeah.
What else did you get?
The mats.
The floor mats? Okay. Oh, and your JDM mirrors. Alright guys, came home real quick because the diamond floor mats did show up. So we're gonna take a break real quick and we'll go outside and put those on. Alright guys, right now we're putting in the diamond floor mats. We already did the back. It's kind of messy, but we'll take it out and show you. But right now I'm doing the front. So you have to take these out, then hold in the stock floor mats.
No, those are dirty.
Yeah, it's garbage anyway. I'm just clipping it in right now.
I know what you see when you look into my eyes, yeah. You made money back, little shorty, you damn right, yeah. Diamonds in my teeth, yeah, this shit shining so bright, yeah. So come and bend it over for a nigga one time. So fuck it up right now, going through that ass, make it spin right round. Fuck it up right now, looking for the cash, make it clap face down. Stop acting so innocent, you throw it, I'm spinning it. Your vibe, I'm feeling it, shorty.
20 minutes later.
So this is how you take these clips out.
Without all those sounds.
Okay, if someone knows how to get rid of like the passenger floor mat being wet, pretty sure it's from the AC drain. Okay, Fizza, you figured it out. Anyway, pretty sure it's from the AC drain. The drain pipe leaks. I don't know how to change it. Gotta look into that. But if anyone knows anything about it, leave a comment down below. Gotta figure that out because he keeps getting wet.
Maybe you should see if it's like clogged up first.
Yes, of course.
You killing it, so fuck it up right now. Going through that ass, make it spin right round. Fuck it up right now, looking for the cash, make it clap face down.
Is it raining?
Yeah, it's raining.
Stop acting so innocent, you throw it, I'm spinning it. Your vibe, I'm feeling it, shorty, you killing it. I love how you move, I love how you shake it. I read through the lines and I can't debate it. No. Your hips are not lie, girl, you are the greatest. Watching the whole time and you kept me waiting, girl, you got me fucked up. You know I can't get enough, got me thinking.
Alright, diamond floor mats are in. The back's a little dirty. Shout out to the fork.
How did that get there?
No.
But yeah.
But yeah, on to the next mod. I look so pretty today.
You like my
What's the occasion?
I don't know.
Alright guys, this is the next day. Had to cut the clip short yesterday because she had to go. But I'm at work right now. Fizza pulled up over here because her intakes came in and we're just gonna install that real quick. I'm gonna go get her real quick. If you guys were wondering, we're at work. I work at Elmer's, next to Elmer's Hospital. There's a parking lot for it. It's pretty cool, it's underground. You have to go up and down. The job is so easy, like, it's literally the best job I ever had. They pay well, the company's pretty good. But yeah, she's on, I think she's here. She texted me she's here. Let's go get her real quick. This is the, I've got DNA something. That, the one with the red pipes. Because we weren't gonna put anything. The only reason we're doing it is because there's underneath this hose right here, there's a big crack and the car literally stutters sometimes when you gas it completely. So yeah, let's get started. Are you gonna help out? Okay. You sure?
But yeah.
Okay.
Thinking to myself like, how did you get in this club? Baddest bitch, you demonstrated. Yeah, you got me fascinated. You driving me crazy. You driving me crazy. And you could have it any way you want, girl. You see, all this one just make your toes curl. But you just a eater, you looking at me like I'm a new freezer, yeah. But you can have it any way you want, girl. See, all this one just make your toes curl. But you just a eater, you looking at me like I'm a new freezer, yeah. Right now, gon' throw that ass, make it spin right round. Fuck it up right now, trigger for the cash, make it clap face down. Stop acting so innocent, you throw it, I'm spinning it. Your vibe, I'm feeling it. Shorty, you killing it. So fuck it up right now, gon' throw that ass, make it spin right round. Fuck it up right now, trigger for the cash.
Oh no. This is why you wear gloves.
Yeah, gloves.
The thin ones.
That's perfect.
Really?
Yeah.
So, right here. We're back.
Don't put gloves on.
Got me high, waving the smoke like I'm waving goodbye. Losing my mind and passes the time. I'm peeping the strippers as they passing by. Oh yeah, so smack like I'm in a dream. Too wide that you can't hang. Drugs rule everything around me like cream, nigga Wu-Tang. Smoking kush like it's overtime, jumping overtime, life is blowing mine. I'm spaced out. Whoa. You gon' tell me what I like to get a raise now? And I got all this cash that you tryna shade down. I know what you see when you look into my eyes, yeah. You made money back, little shorty, you damn right, yeah. Diamonds in my teeth, yeah, this shit shining so bright, yeah. So come and bend it over for a nigga one time. So fuck it up right now, gon' throw that ass, make it spin right round. Fuck it up right now, trigger for the cash, make it clap face down. Stop acting so innocent, you throw it, I'm spinning it. Your vibe, I'm feeling it, shorty, you killing it. So fuck it up right now, gon' throw that ass, make it spin right round. Fuck it up right now, trigger for the cash, make it clap face down. Stop acting so innocent, you throw it, I'm spinning it. Your vibe, I'm feeling it, shorty, you killing it. Yo. I love how you move, I love how you shake it. I read through the lines and I can't debate it. No. Your hips are not lie, girl, you are the greatest. Watching the whole time and you kept me waiting, girl, you got me fucked up. You know I can't get enough. Got me thinking to myself like, how did you get in this club? Baddest bitch, you demonstrated. Yeah, you got me fascinated. You driving me crazy, crazy. You driving me crazy, crazy. And you could have it any way you want, girl. You see, all this one just make your toes curl. But you just a eater, you looking at me like I'm a new freezer, yeah, yeah. But you can have it any way you want, girl. See, all this one just make your toes curl. But you just a eater, you looking at me like I'm a new freezer, yeah, yeah, yeah. Right now, gon' throw that ass, make it spin right round.
I'm trying to put this together, but I can't find my 14mm socket, so I think this is the gun.
Fuck it up right now, trigger for the cash, make it clap face down. Stop acting so innocent, you throw it, I'm spinning it. Your vibe, I'm feeling it. Shorty, you killing it. So fuck it up right now, gon' throw that ass, make it spin right round. Fuck it up right now, trigger for the cash, make it clap face down. Stop acting so innocent, you throw it, I'm spinning it. Your vibe, I'm feeling it. Shorty, you killing it. Yo, fuck it up right now, right now, right now, right now. So fuck it up right now, right now, right now, right now. Stop acting so innocent.
Right now I'm trying to put the rubber lining around it.
One eternity later.
Oh, these drugs got me high, waving the smoke like I'm waving goodbye. Losing my mind, and passes the time. I'm peeping the strippers as they passing by. Oh yeah, so smacked like I'm in a dream. Too high that you can't hang. Drugs rule everything around me like cream, nigga Wu-Tang. Smoking kush like it's overtime, jumping overtime, life is blowing mine. I'm spaced out. Whoa. You gon' tell me what I like to get a raise now? And I got all this cash that you tryna shake down. I know what you see when you look into my eyes, yeah. You made money back, little shorty, you damn right, yeah. Diamonds in my teeth, yeah, this shit shining so bright, yeah. So come and bend it.
Alright guys, so got carried away, almost done. Got the heat shields on, got the two pipes on, and I just gotta put the filter on this side now.
Before nigga one time. So fuck it up right now, gon' throw that ass, make it spin right round. Fuck it up right now, trigger for the cash, make it clap face down. Stop acting so innocent, you throw it, I'm spinning it. Your vibe, I'm feeling it. Shorty, you killing it. So fuck it up right now, gon' throw that ass, make it spin right round. Fuck it up right now, trigger for the cash, make it clap face down. Stop acting so innocent, you throw it, I'm spinning it. Your vibe, I'm feeling it. Shorty, you killing it. Yo. I love how you move, I love how you shake it. I read through the lines and I can't debate it. No. Your hips are not lie, girl, you are the greatest. Watching the whole time and you kept me waiting, girl, you got me fucked up. You know I can't get enough, got me thinking.
After we started, this is what it sounds like. Sounds more like a VQ. Alright guys, finally put it together. Looks pretty good. But I think we're gonna change up the color, right? When you wrap the car.
Yeah.
We're gonna make the pipes black and we're probably gonna get pink cones because she's gonna get satin pink wrap? I don't know, some sort of pink wrap.
Some kind of pink.
Lady driven. Yeah, it was fairly easy.
I did all the work.
Of course, you did all the work. But yeah, next video is gonna be on the new car. That's right there. So yeah, stay tuned. Is that it? Say bye.